Morning. Our customer feedback if you use 18 KVM switch like K5068 through K7169 adapter to manage their Dell PC Optipress 5050 or 7050 model. When system boot up, the BIOS port screen just appears several seconds, then enter to the Windows desktop immediately. This will result in they cannot press keyboard button in time to enter BIOS setup menu. Actually, this symptom is caused by the BIOS behavior, not related to a KVM switch. Some newer PC provide an option setting in BIOS. Extend BIOS post time. This option creates an additional delay time allows the user to see post message. In the left side window, the extend BIOS post time is 0 seconds. For the right side window, we set the delay time for 10 seconds. Let us see what the difference between these two settings. In the right side window, you will see a status bar is running. The reading time is approximately 10 seconds. Although the two PCs have two different post delay times, but they still can enter to the Windows desktop at the same time. Next time, if you encounter any BIOS post issue, you may check the BIOS setting to see if there's any configuration can be set up. Thank you for watching 18 FAQ video channel. See you next time.